In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the search feature of Explorer. There are a couple of ways to reach the search pages. Firstly, you can repeatedly press the page button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Alternatively, you can use the menu in the top left corner, and select Search. Once you have reached the search page, you can adjust the radius of your search by adjusting the slider like so. Use the search box to enter your search query. The search provider that we use is Google Maps. You should be able to enter any text here that you would enter when using Google Maps online. Once you have found what you are looking for, tap on the item that you want. This will display an information box with more details about your selection. If you wish, you can click on the Photos link. From here, you will see up to 10 photos that have been taken by visitors to that location. If you click the Reviews link, you will see up to 5 recent reviews, selected by Google. By checking or unchecking the Add POI box, you can decide if you wish to have a POI created at the target location. When you are ready, go ahead and click the View button. This will take you to the search location on the map. As you can see here, we've created a POI.